Me not deal with if, but, or maybe. Me not deal with them thing there. Me want see the man them where they are every day do it now. And the fans them have to help do that. You understand what I say? No, I want to see it. I want to see the rest of the artists them do it. Then we know so we're really up on top of our game. Right now, remember, you know, every promoter in the international market has crumbled now, you know. If you keep dancehall event in a UBS or in a Barclays, you know. Right now, when Barclays see them say Jamaican show, them ready to book it more than a Yankee show right now. Them ready now. And like one time, them a question with thing. Buju come show them say we're ready for it. And Kartel come show them say we are the thing. You understand? If me tell you say, me not appreciate what go on night before last night and last night, would I be a liar? Big thing. Big thing for the culture. Big thing. Big thing. The fans play a major role, of course. Major role. Major role. So a big thing, bro. And a normal thing. Big thing. One thing we have to step up on if we are going to live in that space there. Want to listen to me now, no? Want to listen to me now, people. Because sometimes a man talk, it fly over on the head, you know. Zine? One thing we have to work on. If we plan to live in that space here, that top tier space here. I mean, hear Chin from Irish and Chin say it was there. You see production. You see production. Have to better. You see the entertainment. Have to better. The delivery of the production and the entertainment has to be way better. The production and the entertainment have to be way better. We are getting the top